I'm going to show you how I put in my last few twists that I have here. First, I'm smoothing down my edges. You can use any sort of jam to do this, Murray's to do this, whatever you have already in your stash, any sort of edge slick down gel you might want to use. Just make sure that it's pretty strong hold. Then I like to smooth out this hair to make sure that I don't have any knots in there, because that will really get in the way when I'm starting to twist down. I like to spread the gel on the length of my hair because it just gives it a bit more grip. You'll do this anyway as you start to twist down. I just like to do it at the beginning so that I'll have a little more to hold on to as I'm starting my twist. Okay, you're going to see here that I split these apart, right? I'm going to split my hair apart in two, and so that it's separated on both pieces of the braid hair. Then I'm going to twist away from each other. So one side I'm twisting to the right, one side I'm twisting to the left, and then when I get a good grip, then I start to twist the hair into each other. But notice, as I am twisting, I am also continuing to twist in the opposite direction. So you see how I'm continuing to twist down, and when I want to smooth my hair into the braid hair even more, I just grab more of the edge control. I'm using Murray's in this case. I did end up doing a retwist on this, and on my retwist I used the Gorilla Snot, and that worked amazingly. I ended up doing a retwist sooner than I thought, just because I was in a very humid climate and I didn't add any heat to my hair before I twisted it. So when I did the retwist, I used the Gorilla Snot, and that worked out perfectly and withstood all of the humidity that I was dealing with. And again, when I retwist, I don't mean I retwisted my whole head. I just retwisted a few of them that had really started to fuzz. So pay close attention here. I'm twisting in the opposite direction as I'm twisting the strands of the braid hair around. I'm going to secure mine with a rubber band. I like that. It sort of adds to the authentic look of the twist. You can always, put yours on some curly rods and dip them to seal them, or just dip the straight hair and seal it with some hot water. I just didn't want to go for that look, so I used the old-fashioned black rubber band for mine. Now I just have a few more of these to get through, but as you see here, you see me pulling out the hairs on my edges. That's very important. I mean, edges are everything. Try to protect your edges at all costs. So when you are twisting, it can get a little tight. Once you're done, it'll loosen up a lot more, but it does help before you're twisting your hair to pull out the baby hair. And now I'm just showing you that these twists can flip to either side so that I can have versatility and wear these in different ways. I'm going to, of course, slick down these baby hairs. And again, these baby hairs are just pretty much my freed edges that I do not want twisted in here because I just do not want the tension. Now I have a few more in the back that I'm going to go ahead and finish up off camera, and I will be back. So right now I am reaching for my secret ingredient that I use to finish off my style, and that is this Insta Hold by Got2b glue. I'm going to spray that all throughout my style as a finishing, making sure that I, saturate my hair well. I mean, not too much, but well enough to hold. And then I'll put a scarf on, tie it down, and then I'm done. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial of my jumbo twist out, and I will be adding more tutorials to my channel. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.